Hi everyone, this is Ave.
And this is Inyas.
And welcome to our channel. Nice. In the US. Wow, look at that.
The landscape is amazing.
Oh my god, it's super pretty.
And the place fits perfectly. Lots
I
of glass
know.
again. It's very cute.
Oh my god, look at that. I'm so excited to see the interior. The exterior is already
It's very
and it looks like a container kind of.
yeah, but I think
Or
that's too
steel
much
and
glass.
glass,
It's just
yeah.
a steel construction.
Steel and
I
glass,
think.
yeah. At first I thought it's like, is it like a container they put on top? But closer
I
it's
don't think so.
steel and glass.
It wouldn't be worth it with all the with all the glasses in there.
Super nice.
Yeah, it's still. Is it 3 stones?
It's super cute, you know, like it's like a small bridge and
Yeah.
then like a mini terrace.
But the whole thing in the environment just is like this
Fits perfectly.
really small part. It just blends.
It's super nice. That's the thing, if you can build a house that doesn't really, you know, like interrupt how the nature works, it's super good if you can do that. Already an entrance. Oh, it reminds me of like my favorite movie, The Lake House. It's kind of like that, like the bridge going to Sandra Bullock's place. It's a great movie with Keanu Reeves.
I remember in the movie, but I forgot what the house was.
It's not the house, but like the bridge that like gave me, you know, the vibe of it. Look at that.
It's like rusted metal that they put on the side. I mean, it fits because it incorporates good.
It reminds me of the roof in the Philippines, what we use. We call it yero, but I don't know how to say it in English.
Metal plate.
Yeah, something like that. So I think that's what they've used in there. And it's super good that, you know, you can do a lot in the outside of the house, you know. You can like do something on the small lake, you know, like have a nice walk. It's always nice. Just as a fox. Look at that. What a statement. I like the color of the wood. It's like orangey kind of thing, eh?
It's
so
be
cute.
really nice.
Yeah. It's nice.
Bathroom.
Oh my god, I love how they do it super light and spacious, you know?
There's also, it's just so many windows make it that the whole thing just comes alive.
Always makes a big difference.
And the light wood just improves it even further. And
Yeah.
the dark accents also like
Just
it's
blends
not,
well.
yeah,
Huh?
it's just to put a bit of
It's in there, but you don't notice it
It-
much, you know?
yeah. Well, it still pops a bit, you know. It makes
Yeah.
it look more.
But it's not like it
Vibrant
gives
thing.
it lingers. That's
Yeah,
what I
yeah.
meant, you know. You see it, but it doesn't.
It doesn't hold your
Stick
gaze
in
or
your-
anything.
yeah.
It's just it works really well.
Super good. And it's not that the bedroom view is in there, you know. What a nice way to wake up in the morning and just like, oh, sliding door, smart. So cool.
That's what I've been saying too. Sliding doors save you so much space. Even storage under the bed.
Yeah.
Which it's an Airbnb. I don't know if people will need a lot of storage. Because you go there
If
for
they
a
go
small
with, like,
holiday,
people.
I guess.
But some people likes to stay longer too. So, and there are people that even if it's a short visit, they bring a lot of stuff. So.
True.
Oh my god, this is super nice.
Mm,
And the tiles, the kitchen going to the bathroom. There's where the sink is. This is like a little coffee.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
a bit of a side part.
It's like it feels like hotelish, yeah? Where
Yeah.
it's like
That's why I was a bit confused for a
mm-hmm.
minute. They even have
Toilet.
laundry and
That's where the shower is.
it's a nice shower.
I love the shower head.
Oh my god.
It's like the design,
What
eh?
a decked out shower. So many
The
buttons.
small details there is nice. It doesn't, it's like a small way to put the stuff for the shower that it doesn't. Look at that. It looks like
Really
it
nice.
reminds me of the place in Switzerland, like the tallest place where you can take a picture. It like kind of give the same thing. Just to chill and unwind. For the mosquito net.
That's good.
Smart.
You want to get those mosquitoes in your house?
Nope. And also other insects.
Mhm.
I want to see that. Yeah, there we go.
Well, that's the living room then, I guess, or what?
We're gonna find out.
In the kitchen.
That's where the kitchen and the living room is. I find it weird though that the living space is
that's-
down and then
I would put the bedroom upstairs so you can like
Mhm.
look over the whole landscape much more.
yeah,
Well, I guess you don't spend your time in your bedroom all the time.
no,
So I guess it makes sense that you put your living room upstairs so you have more of the view throughout the day. But on the other hand, maybe you'll go out during the day. Don't have
Mhm.
any.
yes.
I don't
It's
know.
nice.
I think you
I
can make an
really-
argument for both.
I really love like the color palette they've used in here.
All local products, I guess.
It's super
Pancake
smart.
mix.
Who doesn't love pancakes,
Yeah.
right?
Of course. They already won me over. Let's book.
It's nice. Oh, you can roast your own and
Coffee
grinder.
machines.
Yeah. I love the countertop. It's nice. And you see like the faucet in here. It's very sleek.
It feels very consistent. I think it's
Mhm.
really
Oh,
big. You know,
That's
the
what you like
hexagons. It's gonna be recurring in every video.
Mhm. oh, your hexagon.
Yeah, hexagon is the new hexagon.
Hexagon. You guys already won because you guys have the
Hexagons.
Yeah. Ooh, small
Even in the chair.
office, and then you can remove it. Oh, that's so
And
nice.
you have
And
a
turn
bed.
it
Wow. An extra guest bed.
another bed in there. Look,
Oh my god, you have
It's for
like a
kids.
double bed for kids.
so nice.
Yeah, it's cool.
Although it's scary though that they're up, and then you as a parent me as a parent, it's like I know they're gonna do something they're not supposed to do, so it's always good to know that they're just around. Look at that.
Unless they're just sleeping.
And they wake up early and then
Suddenly you hear someone around fly out of the window. Oh, yeah, that's one of them.
fun. That's nice. I like the details where there's like small windows kinda extra accent and design. It's nice.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Oh my god.
And the landscape is just amazing. So yeah, it's
I think even if the interior wasn't good, just like the outside, I wouldn't mind. I can just like sleep outside.
they have a little outside fireplace too.
Nice.
Guess that's part of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's good, huh?
It's really nice.
Oh my god. It's really, really super nice. And solar panels. We love the environment, right?
So let's put solar panels in it.
And all
So
those
the
technical
battery
stuff.
system.
Yeah. No, the electricity and water. Ooh, they have a garage thing. Oh, mountain bikes. Nice. That's why. Now we're talking, doing outdoor stuff. Here's the
Yeah,
boat.
the dock. Jeez, these guys have thought of everything.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a
It's
pedal
good because
boat.
they're maximizing the environment they have.
Yeah, that's really smart.
Then it attracts more guests to stay in, in their place. Water lilies, sweeties.
That's it.
Well done, guys. We love it. Oh, that's where the mountain bike is. I think this is like another thing they're making.
Another part of the place, yeah. I mean, another place.
Yeah. I guess it's not done yet, so we're just gonna see. Look at that at night. It's super pretty. Well done, guys.
Alright, so we'll just...
Yeah.
Alright, that'll wrap it up for today.
Yes.
Thanks everyone for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment.
Yes, please. It would mean a lot, and thank you again for watching. Have a great day.
See you next time. Bye.
See you.